project, we're going to make a owl's box. We're going to make a screech owl's nest or box. Their habitat's slowly getting taken away, so we figured let's try to help them. I'm going to start by making two sides. I'm going to make the sides 12 inches, and the one side's going to have a slant, a 1-inch slant, so I get rain. So when it rains or snows, it rolls out. I've seen directions go many ways. Pick your directions you want. I'm going to base it off the size of the wood that I have, and we're going to adjust from there. All right, we're going to cut our two sides. We're going to cut our two sides in this. I'm going to make the front side 19 inches and the back side 20 inches, so I get a slant so the snow and the rain will roll off. So 19 and 20. Okay. That'll be the slant for our sides. Now we're going to cut the front and the back. Okay, this will be our front piece. We'll probably put a 3-inch hole in here. The bottom piece will be 11.5 by 11.5. Now that we have our pieces cut, now let's go to the assembly stage. Let's start putting them all together. We're going to put 3 screws on each side. Screw the bottom on. Now, let's put the other side on. Remember, angled side towards the front. We're looking really good. We're looking really good. Now the front piece. How about that? Let's screw it in. Now we do have these screws on the bottom, and this will help us later. It'll be easy to unscrew if we ever have to clean this out. We always like to keep the birdhouses clean. We're looking good. Okay. Top looks good, hangs over a little bit, give them a little protection. Now we want to do our hole. So we want to do, for Screech Owl, a 3-inch hole, but we want it 4 inches from the top. So if I mark off a 4 inches, then come down here to 7, I'm going to have a 3-inch hole. Now, if you got a 3-inch hole cutter, great. If you don't, drill it, use a jigsaw. I don't have a 3-inch, let's get the jigsaw. Hey, how about this one? I'm out here having a cocktail. I measure my cup, it's a 3-inch cup. Let's do it. That'll give me a rough estimate. And now let's get the jigsaw. To cut our hole, first we want to drill a hole to get it started. Then take our jigsaw. Little over 3, but not bad. Not exactly perfect. But it's a birdhouse. The birds won't care. They just want something nice and comfortable. I think this is going to work fine. I have an old 3-inch door latch that I'm going to use here. And I'm going to use this just at the top for easy access, easy opening and closing. So we're just going to put that on. Make it easy access. That's going to work real nice. I like that. All right. We're in good shape. Oh, I do want to give them something here that they're going to be able to grab onto. Maybe take an old piece and let's just give them a ledge. So we're going to add that on. So I went ahead and just cut myself like a 1-inch piece that I'm going to put here. Now I did pre-drill them because they are plywood, so that when we go in, they won't split the wood. Now you do want to make sure your screws don't go in, that you get too long of screws and they don't go showing up on the inside. You don't want the birds to get hurt. Okay, you do want to check it out. Make sure the screws aren't sticking out. You know, mine are sticking out just ever so slightly. I'm just going to take a real quick metal file. Beautiful, you'll never know. Piece might not be on straight, but again, nothing straight in Mother Nature, right? So, we're going to get ready to hang this. Now what we did is we left ourselves some edge to hang it on the top here. If we can grab a lag bolt, we're going to be able to open this real easy and get a couple lag bolts in here, and if we have to, through here, then we can just mount it on the tree. I want to try to get this at least 10 to 14 feet off the ground, and we're going to put it close to our river where the screech owls love crayfish. Hey, I think this is going to work great. Hey, hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger with another backyard project. Let's go hang it.